How to increase voice chat volume in Roblox. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can increase voice chat volume in Roblox. So if you want to increase this voice chat volume in Roblox, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to launch your Roblox app. And once you have launched your Roblox app, you have to log in with your credential here. And once you have a login into your account, you have to just go for your home page on your Roblox. And here you have to select the game that you want to play. Just go and select the game that you want to play on your Roblox. Once you have choose your preferred game on your Roblox, so here you have to open your game completely. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account here. So to increase the voice chat volume in your Roblox, now there are three different ways to do this. First is you have to head over to the Roblox here, which is on the top left hand here. Just go and click on here. Once you are here, you are on your setting. So here you have to just tap on your setting and you have to scroll down to the volume. So if your sound is on your general here, so if your sound is on your general which is low, then obviously you want to turn it off. So you have to turn it off your volume. You can see the volume option. You have to turn on your volume option and make your voice chat full. Obviously here you want to turn off the volume here. You can see that. Now, unfortunately, there is no option just to target the voice chat. So this will increase the overall volume of your game. So if your volume is just quite in general, then definitely try turning off here the next thing. After that, you can also check your device. After that, you can also check your device voice chat setting. You have to increase off your volume like this. You can see that. So here you have to just go for your setting and you can simply check your setting of your Roblox. Also, you have to increase the volume of your Roblox. So this way you can simply increase the voice chat volume in your Roblox. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.